students at Suncoast. Here's my little policy app. I know most people did like a business selling point, but mine's more like sentimental value. I just did it based on like my family's former insurance company. It's just a little policy maker, cred-based designed. So I can show the code real quick. The main app, it is conditionally rendered for the rest of the site. So these two are just normal. The rest of these are conditionally rendered. So it is protected. It'll just show this little div if you try to get anywhere past like the front page right here. So I can just show that real quick. Let's just tell you not found. So it won't send anything to you. And then here we have, so I can start with the little sign up page. We have a little drag and drop. This is used by, let me just get this. So I'm currently using Dropzone to use these async functions for a drop file, going right here. So I can just select one. I have this little bearded man stock photo that I decided to use. See, doesn't he look all nice and fresh? There we go. There we go. There's a little picture right here. He's giving us a thumbs up. I'll just do a little fake account. So my name's fake name. Cool. Enter a password for it. As you can see, it's properly typed in the JavaScript, so it hides the password. Switching between all three of these is annoying. You can see right here. I'm also using a little async function for handle form submit. So it'll do a little post on the users. And if anything happens, it'll give me a little error code 400 in my console. But it should be working. I did test it out before coming in here at fake.com, and I can just do like 555, 555, 555, just something like that. All right, and should be set at fake.com. And I might so I might have wanted to name the email something else. Come on. Did I name it right? I might have named it wrong. I can do it again. I can just do it again. Sorry about that. I just like typed it in and then just goofed. So let me make something that's a little easier to remember. Okay, fake.com. Yes, okay. And there we are, and here we are at the front page. So since I'm logged in, it's conditionally rendering the front page. Everyone can see this, right? I know I had a technical issue yesterday where I was like popping in and out. So let me go to my home page and show you some code right here for that. So this just has some basic, just getting the user and then just handling logout if I wanted to sign out, which I can show you right here. Little sign out button right here, that'll handle that. Then I have a home button, so it'll just take you home if you want. You can also view your profile. But first, let's go and make a new policy. So for this, I'm just going to do like 404 Fake Street and choose a type. I haven't fully implemented types yet. I have been researching it. Currently, like, so for the type, if you do it right now, it'll show the premium through like JavaScript. And like, so my main thing is I need to go back and like through the controller and edit the filter so that I have some conditionals for the HOs. But I can create the policy right here, and it has a little thing. So if I try to do like less than 100,000, it'll just say please enter value greater than 100,000. Go like 55555. Create policy, and that's using a common handle form submit throughout the app. So right here, this one, so for like updating and making a new policy, they're a little special because they are using this conditional for that little pop-up window in the premium. And the handle, so like handle string field change for for most of the fields, the only one who's different is premium. This will get converted to a number, or like an integer for like layman terms. And you can see most of the handle form submit right here. Then here's like the handle string field change and the handle premium here. Then you can go and view these policies in the view policy app. So it'll be right here. Show you the policy. The policy goes by address name. It'll show you the type. It's showing you the premium. I think I made this like $55 million, so that's why it's really high. And I'll show you the start date of the coverage. And so with these two buttons, you can delete it. That'll destroy right here. I'll do that right after I update it. And you can go update it. So this will locate the policy based on your ID. I can share that right here too. That's the profile. So right here, this will use effect to fetch your policy, and it'll load it based on ID. I think anything else new here? No. So I can just do this, and I can just change it to like $600,000. I'll just change the type to like 5 just to show. Go to update, and I'll go back, and yep, should just say about $300. It's now an H05, and I can delete it too. So just like that, it's gone, and I have a little return button here. Then I have my profile, so this will display your information, and you can go here and edit it. So there is one bug here that I will also set. This one's actually fixed on the current version I have. I haven't pushed it to live yet. So for like update policy form or the update profile page, it's currently using, so here, this is like correctly how it should have been. It's currently using like user photo URL. I just made it a string just to empty it. But here you can change anything you want. So I name myself Joe Biden. I'm now Joe Biden. And my email is now Joe Biden. I can do that. And now I'm Joe Biden. And if I sign out, Joe Biden. And yeah, it's just a little policy maker, just basic credit application. There's also a little home button. This is also a little bugged in like a phone version. So if I go to like developer, then I go to little phone mode, these won't work. I'm pretty sure it's because this is like this has a moving factor in its bootstrap, so it'll move along with the screen. And this one's more static, so I just need to go in and make it static. But yeah, that's mostly the app itself. Yeah, that's about it. Let me get back to the page. And yeah, that's about it. Anyone else? All good. Oh, I will also show you my GitHub. So I'm Po9G93 on GitHub. If you want to go check that out, I can link that in the.
Thank you.
Come on.
I might have figured out the
profile. And I'll take any questions if anyone has any. I know it's like
Yeah,
a
that'd be
pretty
great.
basic credit app. So. Cool.
Does anyone have any questions? Does anyone have any questions? Oh, maybe we do. Oh, Vincent's here. Yeah, Vincent, use the backstage link that I sent you and go in there and request to join the stage, and I have a little moderation panel. I'll accept you.
What am I?
Perfect.
Let me.
Catherine wants to know what is a challenge you had to overcome, Eric?
Let's see. There was what was it? So the edit user the update. I needed Gavin's help for this, but where's my view policy page? So right here, doing this, linking to the edit policy by the policy ID by its policy ID in the database table. This was a hard one to figure out. So like right here,
Mm-hmm.
and then another. So going by that, and then just like the update policy page, like figuring out everything here. Wait, is this the right one? Yes. No. Wait. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Using params, like using history to keep track of a page, like all this hand use effect, like all this stuff I was just like so bad at using when I first started out. So I am proud I got all like the async functioning down and stuff. I was able to, another thing was handling premium, just like figuring out just putting number here was probably like 3 hours work. It's all like little stuff, but it's a lot harder to understand than I first thought, because there's just a bunch of little things going through it, like the premium, like when it's like that little Windows alert, like just figuring out where to put that in the where's new policy. It's putting this little if in this async function for the handle form submit. And also the conditional rendering, like making sure this is all like no one can get to this, so my website just doesn't blow up. Like I'm proud for the fact that my website doesn't blow up. That's one big thing. Oh yeah.
Cool.